Hi, I'm Steven with Amerimax Home Products, here today to talk to you about our new splash block. Before we get started, when installing any rain diverting accessory, ensure there's a slope away from your foundation. We recommend 6 inches of fall within the first 10 feet away from the property. Now let's get into the product. We've built 3 key feature sets into our new splash block. The first is this cutout in the back of the splash block. It's going to allow for the fitment of your downspout gutter elbow when it's low to the ground. Second is the water directing chevron pattern. This pattern is going to allow the water to disperse across the face of the splash block, reducing washout at the end. The third feature is the hole in the front of the splash block. This hole allows for a landscape spike to secure the splash block to the ground, keeping it from blowing away during any severe weather. Thanks for tuning in to learn about our new splash block. You can find this and other rain diverting accessories from Amerimax Home Products at a retailer near you.